Hello my friends, in today's video I will be changing the bearings from my Honda XL600. I will need something to offset the center of the spanner or something like that. So I already did it. And now I will try to hammer it out slightly. For the replacement, I have got a set from Slinky Glide. I have put these two bearings into the freezer last night, and there are also this side first. Remove the seal. This is closed on both sides. Here as well with dust seal. So prepare the bearing, and I will use the old bearing as a guide, so I will not damage the new bearing anyway, and just slightly tap it in. Okay. Now put the spacer inside. Okay. Let's have something like a guide. I will just use it from this side up. Okay. Second bearing, put it in, and again use the old one as a guide. Seems to be fine. Central is centered. Rolling. Okay, so now let's get to the new seals. Make sure that it is clean. Put it inside and just press it in. Perfect. Use the old seal again. Looks good. Now let's do the outside. Okay, so the speedometer wheel was bent. I was using just this tool to straighten it out. It was bent. It has to be changed on the next bearing change, but for now it's still okay. So let me put it inside and check it again. Yes, that should be fine. Make sure that it is sitting flush and properly. Okay, great. And put the new seal inside. Clean out the grooves. And press the seal inside. First by hand. And now just to double check, use the old seal as a guide. Place it on top of the new seal and tap it a few times. Okay, seems to be perfect. That's it. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any other videos. See you later. Bye.